Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I have yet another Cybertruck that we just finished wrapping in a very special textured and directional film brought to us by 3M. Check out brushed metallic black. This film actually has a texture to it, and you can see it as I'm walking around the truck, the way the sun is hitting it. It's actually really cool, almost like a black stainless steel, and it's got that brushed appearance, which as you can see has been applied all over the Cybertruck, getting rid of that stainless steel look from Tesla, and also now putting an end to all the fingerprint nightmares and giving you a unique color that actually defines your personality and how you would like to see your Cybertruck look on the streets of LA. The color that this customer chose has been around for a while, and it's a very special one for those of you that actually want that textured directional appearance. Super cool. To finish it all off, 24-inch, brand new, fully forged, satin black CT10 wheels were installed using the proper 24-inch tire brought to you by Nitto. It's called the Recon Grappler. That's the only 24-inch tire that is perfectly designed for your Cybertruck. And these wheels in satin black look really cool with this wrap. Typically, we do these wheels in gloss black, but I think satin was the right choice on this one. The windows have been tinted, and that's because this customer actually does not live in Los Angeles. He actually lives in the state of Nevada, and it gets really hot over there. So choosing 3M ceramic IR film and applying it to all glass surfaces, including the windshield, the sides, the roof, and the rear, will help cool the interior by up to 15 degrees on those hot Nevada days, while providing a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and to protect your interior. This 3M vinyl film is absolutely very special and different from what we've usually been showing, which has been PPF film. There's nothing wrong with either one. Go with the color you like. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.